Hi guys, so this is my new channel. So in this video I'm just gonna tell you guys what is going to be on this channel. I do have another channel called Bella's Reborns, and I was uploading videos there, and now I'm transferring them over here, like my suicide story video, which is actually up already on this channel. I moved over here because this channel is, I'm going to kind of go through in different videos and different parts of my life, and instead of doing it all in one video, because I think it's for me it'll be nice to break down each of the those parts of my life and just do it slowly, and let you guys actually get to know me a little bit for who I truly am. And actually this was kind of an impromptu channel, so the name I just put my first name, which is Bethany, and please comment below different names that I could actually use for this channel. Because my brain is kind of fried right now. I have been up for literally 48 hours, so I'm extremely tired right now, and just couldn't think of a really good name. But I'll be uploading videos probably every other day. I won't do them every day, or maybe I'll just do one a week, and the videos won't be that long as I go through each part, and they will be out of order, because the first video I uploaded which is my suicide story, is very much out of order of everything, because that would have been more in the middle rather than in the beginning. So that is what this channel is going to be, and it's really just going to help you guys get to know me, and watch as my story progresses and my life moves in a different direction than what it used to be going. And I hope you guys like it. Definitely subscribe. So yeah, comment below about name something to name this channel, because the name I have for it right now kind of sucks. Alright guys, talk to you later.